Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Business Environment and Communication. My topic name is Micro and Macro Environment. What is micro environment? A macro environment refers to set of conditions that exist in the economic as a whole rather than in a particular sector or region. In general, the macro environment includes trends in the gross domestic product, inflation, employment, spending, and monetary and fiscal policy. The macro environment is closely linked to the general business cycle as opposite to the performance of an individual business sector. Understanding macro environment. Macro environment refers to how the macroeconomics condition in which a company or sector operated influence its performance. Macroeconomic deal with aggregate product spending and the price level in an economic as opposite to individual industry and market. The amount of macro environment influence depends on how much of a company business is dependent on the health of the overall economy. Industry are heavily influenced by the macro environment, while base stable industry are less influenced industries that are highly dependent on credit to financial purchase and business investment are strongly influenced by change in interest rate and global financial market. Factors of the macro environment. Analyzing macro environment is an important part of strategy management. Business analysts often conduct pest, political, economic, social, culture, and technical analysis to identify macroeconomic factors that currently affect in the futures may affect business. Some of the key factors composing macro environment include following: gross domestic product, inflation, employment, consumer spending, monetary policy, fiscal policy. Difference between macro and micro environment. The micro environment refers to the factors within a company that in fact is ability to the business. Macro environment factors are specific to a company and can influence the operation of a company and management ability to meet the goal of the business. Example of these factors include the company, supplier, reseller, customer, and competition. The macro environment is specific is business or the immediate location or sector in which it operated. In contrast, the macro environment refers to broader factors that can affect which. Example of these factors include domestic, ecological, political, economic, social, media, and technical factors. What is macro environment analysis? Macro environment analysis is part of a company that enable to analyze and identify potential opportunity and hazard that might impact the business. Example of macro environment: political factor or example of the macro environment for that can impact of business. Difference between micro environment and macro environment. Imagine clothing boutique operating The local market, it is a micro environment, would include loyalty customer who provide direct feedback, local supplier who provide fabric and accessories than nearby competitors. These elements directly affect the boutique day-to-day operation and customer relationship, the internal factor, the part of macro environment. However, the macro environment also play volatile role. For instance, economic factor like rising inflation or changing consumer behavior can impact the boutique sales and profitability. Technical advancement such as rise online shopping platform can alter the industry landscape and consumer preference. Comparative table, micro environment and macro environment. Macro environment, social, technical, economic, environment, legal, political. Micro environment, customers, suppliers, competitors, employers, shareholders. In this difference between for the company related. Thank you.